Hi students, good morning. Today I would like to explain about 10th class 5th chapter, that is coordination. That is the topic name. Caption name is the linking system. Topic name is coordination. Caption is the linking system. We have different systems. These all systems work together, depends one and another. These all systems are functioning with the coordination. That is the meaning of coordination. See, coming to subtopic is structure of nerve cell. That is the subtopic in this lesson. Do you know, children, what is nerve cell? Nerve cell, it is also called as nerve fiber or neuron. Okay. What is the main function of nerve cell? What is nerve cell? It is a fiber-like structure present in our body, especially more in number, brain and spinal cord, and other parts as well. See, what is the main function of nerve cell? The nerve cell helps in transferring the messages one place to another place within the body. So, it helps in conduction of nerve impulses. The messages are passing one place to another place with the help of nerve cells. Information is passing in the form of chemical signals or electrical impulses. Once again, information is passing one place to another place in the form of chemical signals or electrical impulses. Messages are transmitted through this nerve cell in the form of electrical impulses, in the form of current. Just keep in mind. See, the structural functional units of nerve system is called nerve cell. Nerve system consists nerve cell. So, nerve system is made up of nerve cell. So, it is called as structural functional units of nerve system. See, there are two kinds of cells are present. One is nerve cells, second one is glial cells or neuroglia. These two are very most important cells present in the nerve system. See, in this, the first one is neuron or nerve cell. Nerve cell or neuron consists of three main parts. One is cell body. It is also called as a cytosol or pericardia. This is the first main part. Cell body, cytosol, pericardia. Second one is dendrite or dendrites. Third one, axon. What are the three main parts consisting in the nerve cell? First one is cell body. Second one is dendrites, third one is axon. These are the three main parts. Okay. Once observe this structure. This is a structure of nerve cell. First of all, we have to identify what are the main parts existing in this nerve cell. See, first one is cell body or cytosol or pericardia. See, This is the cell body, or see, this is a cell body or cytome or pericardium. Second one, coming to second one, dendrites. See, these are the small projections extending from cell body. Those are called dendrites. This is the second part. Third one is axon. See, a long cylindrical structure is called as axon. These are the three main parts. Once again, what are the three main parts? First one is the cell body. This is the cell body. Second one is dendrites. These are the dendrites, small projections. Third one is axon. This is the axon, a long cylindrical structure. These are the three main parts. What is the main function of this nerve cell? It involves in transferring the messages one place to another place. Just to keep in mind. Okay. See, coming to explanation. Each nerve cell has cell body. It's containing a prominent nucleus. This is the nucleus. See, at center of the cell has one big size nucleus is present. This is a round dense body. This is called nucleus. Around the nucleus has a round small granules like structures. Around the nucleus has a ground granules like structures are present. Those are called as Nissls granules. It was discovered by the scientist Nissl. So he kept his name for the granules. So it is renamed as Nissls granules. Okay. It was discovered by Nissl. He is the scientist. So it was called as Nissls granules. This is about the cell body. Coming to second one, dendrites. Dendrites means small projections originates from the cell body. This is the cell body. From the cell body, a small projections originated. Those are called as dendrites. A small projections. These are the small projections. These small projections are called as dendrites. Just to keep in mind. Next one, axon. What is axon? A long cylindrical structure. A long cylindrical fiber-like structure is called as axon. See here, there are two types of projections are present. One is a small projection, that is called dendrites. Another one is a long projection extending from the cell body. This is called axon. A long cylindrical structure is called as an axon. A long projections extending from the cell body is called as axon. This axon is made up of a fatty material that is called myelin sheath. See, this is a cylindrical structure. This cylindrical structure is made up of or covered with fatty material. This fatty material is called as myelin sheath. Sheath means external covering. See. This cylindrical structure is covering with the fatty material. That fatty material is called as myelin sheath. This myelin sheath produced by some cells. See, these are cells. These cells are called as Schwann cells. These Schwann cells are produced fatty material. Just keep in mind. See here, the term Schwann is one of the scientists. He kept his name to these cells. Schwann cells. See, first scientist name is here Nissel. He discovered Nissel granules. Here, second scientist name is Schwann cells. Some cells are present inside this axon. These cells produce fatty material, that is myelin sheath. Okay, here second scientist name is called Schwann. Keep in mind. Next one, when this fatty material forming, some regular intervals are present, some interruptions are present. See, here some gaps are present between these cells. Some gaps are present, some interruptions are present. This is the gap. The small interruption at regular intervals are called as nodes of Ranvier. Small interruptions are present at the regular intervals. See, here gap is present, here gap is present, here gap is present. The small interruption at the regular intervals are called as nodes of Ranvier. This gap or these nodes are discovered by the scientist Ranvier. So these are called as nodes of Ranvier. Nodes of Ranvier. He is a third scientist. Here three scientists are here. One is Nissel. He discovered Nissel granules. Second one is Schwann cells. These Schwann cells producing fatty material, that is called myelin sheath. Scientist name here Schwann. Third one, interruptions are present at regular intervals. Those are called as nodes of Ranvier. These nodes of Ranvier is discovered by a Ranvier scientist. Okay. See, finally, at the end of the nerve cell has nerve terminals, a knob-like structure. See, this is a knob-like structure. This knob-like structure is called as synaptic knob. See how the information is passing one neuron to another neuron. See, dendrites receiving information from another neuron. Later it reaches to the cell body. The information is passing through the cylindrical structure is called as axon. Finally reaches to the nerve terminals after synaptic node. This is the way the information is passing one place to another place, one neuron to another neuron. The brain consists nearly 100 billions of neurons are present. Okay. See, brain as well as spinal cord. More number of nerve cells are existing. The gap between two neurons are called as a synapse. See, this is one neuron. Take one more neuron. Here, one more neuron. The gap between two neurons is called a synapse. Here, synapse are formed. Synapse. The gap between two neurons are called as synapse. Information is passing one neuron to another neuron in the form of chemical signals or electrical impulses. Just keep in mind, these points are very most important. Once again, neuron or nerve cell is the structural function unit of nerve cell. It helps in transferring the messages one place to another place within the body. It helps in conduction of nerve impulses. There are two types of cells. One is nerve cell, another one is glial cells or neuroglia. Okay. In this chapter, we have to learn about the structure of nerve cell. There are three main parts present in the nerve cell. One is the cell body, second one is dendrites, third one is axon. Each nerve cell has a cell body containing a prominent nucleus. This is a nucleus. Around the nucleus has a granules like structures. These are called as Nissel's granules. A small projections extend from the cell body is called as dendrites. Small projections, short projections, which helps in receiving the information from another neuron. Then the long cylindrical structure or a long projections extending from the cell body is called as axon. Axon is covered with the fatty material that is called as myelin sheath. Small interruptions at the regular intervals, those are called as nodes of Ranvier. At the end of the nerve cell has nerve terminals and synaptic node. The gap between two neurons is called as synapse. See, the gap between two neurons. This gap is called as synapse. Information is passing one neuron to another neuron in the form of electrical impulses or chemical signals. Our brain is made up of nearly 100 billions of neurons. The main function of nerve cell is transferring the message one place to another place. This is the concept today. Thank you, children. Thank you so much.